In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new stack on Evernote desktop. A stack in Evernote is simply a way to group related notebooks together, like putting several binders on the same shelf so they're easier to find later. It's great for organizing big projects, work and personal notebooks, or classes by semester. First, open Evernote on your desktop. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar and choose Notebooks. This view shows every notebook in your account and is the best place to manage them. Next, create the notebook you want to include in your new stack. Click New Notebook, type a clear, descriptive name, and click Create. Short names that start with the broad topic often work best because you'll see them listed under the stack soon. With that notebook created, select it so it's highlighted. Find the three-dot menu for that notebook. This is the Options menu, and click it. Hover over Add to Stack, then choose New Stack. This tells Evernote you're making a brand new container to hold this and, later, any other related notebooks. If you already had a stack that fits, you could choose it here instead, but we'll create a fresh one. You'll be prompted to name the stack. Type in a name that captures the theme, something you'll recognize at a glance, and click Create. Evernote will immediately place the notebook inside that stack, which will now appear in your notebook's view. A quick note about how stacks work: they're for your personal organization only. Stacks are commonly used for grouping notebooks that have a similar topic or theme, and they are only visible to you. If you share a notebook with someone, they'll see the notebook, not your stack. That's it. Open Evernote, go to Notebooks, create a notebook, and add it to a new stack with a clear name. You've now set the foundation for a cleaner, more focused workspace.